Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a mini succulent arrangement. I just took cuttings from my garden. So I was inspired by Botanical Bright on Instagram, and she also has a YouTube channel now, which I will link here. She does really cute mini arrangements, and she inspired me to take cuttings from my garden to do the same.
So I'm a doctor of plants, and I'm finding some clues of missing plants. So let's talk about Mama. Over to you.
Thank you. So I just put soil in here and took it out because I'm gonna add my little mesh here. I'm not gonna add a mesh for this because it's small.
Can you say my son's looking for the missing plant?
You already told him, babe.
But can you tell him too?
My son said he is looking for missing plants and clues. So I'm gonna start with this purple little mug, and then maybe if I have enough, I'll do this one. So I'm just gonna get my soil, and I'm gonna add my soil all the way to the top because they are cuttings. So I have my soil here, which is pumice, some cactus mix, and turfus. So it's well draining. And I'm not gonna water this for a while. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see here. Some of the bigger ones in the middle first. Alrighty, so there you have my first little arrangement. As this is a type of echeveria or graptopetalum, I'm not sure. Graptovarias. This is a sedum, dunce cap, cotyledon pendant, kalanchoe, little sedums here, a sempervivum, and this is just a jade. There's that one. Looks super cute. That's in there here actually. So I have this little sedum here. So now I'm gonna do the next one. So here's my other one. You can see some of them are just like popped in there. I think it looks super cute. Let me fix this though. Alright friends, so here you have it. My little succulent arrangements with multiple succulents included. So this was not as easy as I thought. So I give a lot of credit to Becca at Botanical Bright. She does an awesome job. You have to go check her out with her arrangements, her mini succulent arrangements. And see, they just pop out. So I'm still learning how to do this. It's not as easy as I thought. So yeah, those will all ruin there though. So I will miss these in a couple of days after the stem has calloused over to promote root growth. I'm not going to water it completely, but I won't miss like towards the inside, towards the soil. So yeah, here they are. Yeah, I just took cuttings from my garden, and you get surprised how many different types of plants you have, succulents you have, when you just take little cuttings for these types of arrangements. But yeah, I really think it looks super cute. Bless you. It does look really cute in this blue pot that I painted. I really love it. It has so many different types of plants in there. And this little cup looks cute as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspires you to go out into your garden and take cuttings and make little arrangements like this. They are great for gifts. Bless you, Papa. They are great for gifts and just to watch your succulents grow if you're trying to grow your collection as well. This is a good way to start new plants. And why not start it with a cute arrangement? Yeah, I'm working on it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next video. Bye.